Hello and welcome to this Commerzbank webcast. Equity markets have slumped. Many investors fear a recession or even a financial crisis like in 2008. There can be no doubt that China faces some difficult years ahead for its economy, with many companies heavily in debt. However, state-owned banks will probably keep most highly indebted state-owned businesses afloat. The Chinese government does not want to adjust these imbalances with a shock therapy, with a recession, even if this means creating zombie companies that will dampen economic growth for many years. Then there is a risk of a recession in the US. But what could be the cause? The Fed? The end of QE and 125 basis point rate hike do not represent a significant tightening of monetary policy that could trigger a recession. And the strong appreciation of the dollar has usually not led to recessions in the past. And what about US oil producers? Of course, they are suffering heavily under the collapse of oil prices. But loans to ailing oil companies only account for 2 to 3% of total loans of US banks. This is not much compared with the 20% share of subprime loans before the outbreak of the financial crisis. US oil producers are not a systemic risk for the US banking system. All in all, I think a US recession is unlikely. The markets are too pessimistic at the moment. Many thanks for watching. Please enjoy reading more in our Week in Focus.